I have an existing retail platform, a gift shop, in which primarily caters to the tourists who come and visit Kuching. I wanted good products from Sarawak, which I was hard-pressed to find at that time. And when I came upon these communities, I then decided to work with them to create products that I feel would be appealing to tourists who visited Sarawak. And you're not just talking about trinkety souvenirs and things like that. I wanted products that were of good quality, that were sort of culturally inspired, handmade, bespoke, benefits community. Because at the end of the day, we want something that will bring value back to the community and enrich their lives and also contribute towards their household income. I'm very glad that our products have been very well received. So we have a diverse mix of clients from all over the world, and they do appreciate the products that are made by community. I think nowadays people like to support products that have a give back story behind it, and they like the idea it's handmade. There's nothing mechanized about it. It's made by community. So when you look at 10 products, all 10 products are sort of uniquely different. No two products are exactly the same. And then also, I had to design it in such a way that I feel would be appealing and would be able to be sold commercially. I think it's been a very good synergy in terms of using the knowledge of what I have from an urban context and bringing that value to them in a rural context, value adding to their skills and their knowledge, and coming up with a product together. I think it's a nice synergy to work with them in that sense. The whole idea of doing a community product is we promote unity, and also we create a gotong royong spirit, which is basically a community getting together sort of spirit. What I've done as well is I've started up a community space in Betong Division, which is the area that the longhouse are based, but in the town centre. It's I call it a co-working space. It's a workshop space that we do training sessions. So we've done some craft training sessions there. We've also done exhibitions there. We've done experimental classes there where we get the ladies to come down from different longhouses. We bring the materials and we just do interactive workshops with them. The whole idea of this working space is also to unite the different communities together through crafting, and also for them to take ownership. I mean, one day for them to take ownership and say, this is a community space, we can come down, we can share ideas, we can do cross-cultural exchanges. That is the future of where we are pitching ourselves from when we started in 2016 with the rural community craft development projects.